In today's fast-paced world, the dream of earning money while you sleep has never been more attainable. Passive income streams can provide financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to focus on what truly matters to you. In this video, I'm going to share how I've built multiple passive income streams that allow me to make $67,000 per week. From real estate to digital products, I'll walk you through the exact strategies I've used to generate this income, and how you can do it too. So, if you're ready to create sustainable wealth and transform your financial future, stick around and let's dive right in. In today's digital age, passive income has become one of the most popular ways to build wealth. By creating revenue streams that generate money with little ongoing effort, you can free up time for other pursuits. Let's explore how to establish some effective passive income streams. These methods are proven and, over time, can help you achieve financial freedom. Start by identifying the right type of passive income that aligns with your skills, interests, and available resources. While many may want quick results, the key to sustainable passive income lies in understanding that it takes time to set up systems and assets that work in your favor without constant attention. One of the most reliable ways to generate passive income is by investing in real estate. Purchasing rental properties can provide consistent monthly income. Choose properties in growing areas where housing demand is high and rental rates are increasing. Hire a property manager to handle day-to-day operations like tenant relations, maintenance, and rent collection. This allows you to focus on managing finances and growing your real estate portfolio. Once set up, rental income can be a steady cash flow, and with the right property, you can even benefit from appreciation over time. The digital revolution has made it easier to earn passive income online, particularly through digital product sales. Create a product like an ebook, online course, or software that solves a problem or provides value to a specific audience. Once created, you can automate the sales process through a well-designed website or platform like Amazon or Udemy. Digital products require initial effort in terms of creation and marketing, but once established, they can sell indefinitely with minimal updates. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without any additional production costs. Affiliate marketing is another powerful passive income stream, especially if you have a website, blog, or social media presence. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you earn commissions on sales made through your referral links. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products or services you truly believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Incorporate the products into valuable content like reviews, tutorials, or guides. Over time, as your audience grows and trust is built, you can make substantial income without actively managing the sales process. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have emerged as another way to earn passive income by loaning money to individuals or small businesses. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans and earn interest. Spread your investments across multiple borrowers to reduce risk, and over time, the interest from these loans can provide a steady stream of income. It's important to do thorough research on the platform and the borrowers before committing funds, but once you've diversified your loans, this can be a hands-off source of income. Dividend stocks are a long-term approach to passive income. By investing in stocks from companies that pay dividends, you earn regular payouts simply for holding the stock. Dividend stocks are often stable, well-established companies that provide consistent returns. Reinvest your dividends back into more stocks to take advantage of compounding, which accelerates growth. Although this strategy requires significant capital to see substantial returns, over time, it can build into a lucrative income stream. Additionally, dividend stocks offer the potential for capital appreciation, adding another layer of wealth-building potential. Licensing your intellectual property, such as a patent or trademark, can be a high-yielding form of passive income if you've created something innovative or valuable. When you license your creation, companies pay to use your intellectual property, providing you with royalties. For example, musicians earn royalties from their songs being played on various platforms, while inventors might earn from a patented product being manufactured. This form of passive income takes expertise and, often, legal advice to protect your rights and ensure proper compensation, but once established, it can lead to significant ongoing earnings. Another digital-focused stream of passive income is building a blog or YouTube channel that generates ad revenue. While this may not seem passive at first, it becomes so once you build a substantial library of content. Ads can be displayed on your website or videos, and every view or click contributes to income. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create content that provides value to an audience. Over time, as your traffic grows, so too will your ad revenue. Once you have a solid catalog of content, this can become a relatively hands-off income source as you continue to earn from past efforts. The concept of creating passive income is about leveraging your time and resources in ways that create lasting, ongoing revenue streams. While each method discussed requires initial effort to establish, the goal is to build systems that eventually operate with little involvement from you. It's also important to diversify your passive income streams, as this reduces risk and increases the potential for higher overall returns. Building these streams takes time, patience, and effort, but with the right strategies in place, you can significantly reduce the amount of active work needed to maintain your income. Always reinvest a portion of your earnings back into growing your portfolio, whether through more rental properties, additional stocks, or creating new digital products. Financial freedom is attainable, but it doesn't happen overnight. Focus on building sustainable, scalable systems that work for you while you sleep, travel, or focus on other interests. By now, you've seen that building passive income streams is possible with the right strategies and dedication. The key is consistency and setting up systems that work for you in the long run. Whether through real estate, investments, or digital ventures, the key is to stay consistent, adjust as needed, and always look for opportunities to improve and expand. The result? A life where your money works for you instead of the other way around. If you're looking for the latest deals and exclusive offers on the things you actually want to buy, I've got something exciting for you. Join our SWE official community on TikTok, where we're always sharing the best finds and insider tips. Plus, for those of you serious about learning how to make money online, get access to advanced strategies and personalized guidance by subscribing to Smart Wealth Academy on Patreon. Don't miss out, let's level up your financial game together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your financial freedom.